Feel free to shoot your questions.
Kill me now. Hi, Nat.
Kailan namin si Bebe na people will be expecting.
I think naturally, kasi our instruments play that way. But the reason why I enjoy singing with Jet is he's a storyteller more than anything. Even if his range reaches great heights, alam natin kaya niya gawin to, alam natin kaya natin gawin to. The bottom line still is magaling siya magkwento. And that's always the kind of performance I enjoy. No, this is the first. I wasn't even a judge when he joined PNP. So I discovered him late. The voice na when I discovered song. And I like song because his music is my grandfather's music. Really, the crying. I mean, he goes back to all these songs and he makes them his own. So these are old songs and he's introducing it to a new audience, a large audience. And again, only a storyteller can do something. So yeah, I'm excited for rehearsal. Just to sit and watch everyone bring it. Because more than the echoes, more than the singers, the important thing is the song. Sometimes it's so hard. You put in a number and there's 12 of you singing one song. There's only so much that can be heard sonically. So, means titingin na kami ni Jet na parang, okay, brother, poste na tayo. Kami na yung kakanta ng melody, ng ilalim, just so you hear the lyrics. Huwag tayo madrid. Tayo yung lyrics. Importante. Otherwise, it's just, sometimes you watch a show and it's just noise. And I'm guilty of that. Kasi minsan ang sarap talaga. But when you watch, nawala na yung kanta. Nawala na yung... So, that's why I enjoy it. I think it's because I started in a different industry. I started in theater, where the story is king. It's the script, and the best songwriters write the best melodies for those words. So you have to respect the text. Tapos makikita pag ego bound yung performance mo kasi you're not a character. I see between Escalante. I don't see the character she's playing. So always, when you're in theater, you service the text. And I think I brought that with me to do this.
What makes like great music still unforgettable or
when something is at stake, diba? Pag may pinataya, that means you're being generous of yourself. Kasi hindi madali. So pag bumirit ka, bibigay ka. Siyempre, ang dami mo namang pwedeng ibigay. Pero, iba yung, she really gave it her all. Para sa atin, para sa audience, binigay niya. That's why Regine will forever be the most generous actor, singer, actor. Also, kasi she gives you the full range. If you revisit even her oldest songs, like Narito Ako, bulong yung simula, she's 100% there. Until pumirit sa dulo, or at some point parang, she doesn't even want to do it, but she will. Because most of her audience expects it. So bibigay niya. Isn't that a sign of how generous performer you are? Even if you take the risk na pipiyok ka. And sometimes sometimes pag pumiyok ka, audience mo, we love you for it. Oh my God, kuhawa naman siya. She went there for you. Oh my God, kuhawa naman siya. But she always hits that anyway. She's sick today, but she still did it for us. When you show your vulnerability, maski ano ba sabihin ng audience na sakit ako ngayon, kakampi sa'yo yung audience mo. That makes sense. Yeah. I think by virtue of us being physically so different, iba yung sound namin. Kaming tatlo. We all have different sounds. I consider myself a baritone with a high bell. It's a low, I have a low register. I think both are known for singing high. Actually, Jed and I have done shows together where I do the best of male and he does the best of female. And sometimes into the late hours, I will sing the Freddie Mercury's and the Elvises, and he will sing Celine Dion's and the Madonnas. That's how, the kind of fun that he and I have. So, I think it's that. I'm the bigger, the lower, and they're up here. I enjoy it so much. So I think it's complementary. You're not gonna hear the same thing, and you're not gonna hear us all on the same register sonically. There's a variety, and they're so musical also. So, oo, bosisan, mga ganyan. Musicality, no? Hindi siya showdown. I don't see the point of really, I'm coming here for a showdown. Parang ang strange ng energy na yun yung pinunta mo. Whereas, we're here to sing to you. Let you understand these songs. Tara, iyak tayo. This song moves me. Every time I sing it, I feel like crying. I want you to feel that. I can't do that if I'm showing off. Diba? Yung sabong lang to.
And you're the only girl among two male performers.
Oh, but no! We have very special guests.
Yeah.
We have Carmel and we have Laika, who on their own also. I remember when Laika won, I wasn't there yet. But when Carmel won, I remember I just saw the future. Sounds so different and so good.
And yes, any other music coming out, room or any other performances?
Yes, actually we have a project album, but that's for another interview. I hope you all come. But it's a great concept album because everything was recorded live with live instrumentation. Everything was done in one take. So hindi siya they punch in, recorded and shot live.
Wow!
Like they used to do in the 50s.
Thank you.
A lot of homework.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Patrick Belmero from Business Mirror. So, one question lang po. Since you mentioned na you started in theater, did that experience help ease your collaboration with your co-stars? Or was it an adjustment to sing na iba-iba yung mga?
Yeah, that is a boon and a bane. That since you keep playing a character, ang hirap hanapin yung boses mo. Right? Like when you hear Jessa Saragosa, you know she's Jessa. You hear Sharon, it's Sharon. You hear Vina, it's Vina. You hear Regis. But for a theater actor, the gift you have to have is that you change with the character you play. So yes, it was a hard transition. But with these two, particularly with Jed, because I've not really worked with Sofron, but with Jed, I worked with him a lot. You watch him, you learn. That's the kind of artist he is. He's so generous. He will show you his gifts. sings from the heart and he understands what he's singing. So, just that, okay, it's still home, it's still theater. The text still matters. So, yeah, merong relief pagkasama ko si Jed kasi, hindi siya nalalayo sa theater.
Para storytelling.
Yes. With that voice. Gusto ko mag-theater si Jed.
Hi. So na-mention mo kanina na na Jed is like the best dressed movie ever. In what ways? And at the same time, ano yung first impression mo so far working with Sofronio so far?
First impression with Sofronio, he's so disciplined in the sense that every time you check his socials, he's so busy. He's everywhere, and the fact that he still has the energy and the joy to be doing, this homecoming concert. And when you're new to this whole thing, you're excited about going out, seeing the world. But he's so invested in a homecoming concert. So that's a nice thing to see, that he appreciates the Filipino audience. With Jed, I love how candid we are in the dressing room. I can be completely honest with Jed about how I feel about work and situations. And then, basta nakakaano ako sa kanya, nakaka-unload ako sa kanya. And same, we trust each other so much. And then after, kanta na lang kami ng kanta. Ang galing-galing ni Jed, whether siyang kumanta ng lalaki, ng babae, anything. So, maski saan, we have so much fun. Such a jolly.
Thank you.
Vince here from Philippine Concerts. In terms of song selection sa show, sa setlist mo, ano yung naging process? And tapos na ba? Or makumpleto mo na yung mga songs na kakantay mo?
Until now, since bihira kami magkita, meron pa rin kami mga, okay, I don't think this feels right. Even after one week, after concert, when we decide, I don't think this number worked with the audience, or, it's an ongoing process. So right now, we're there. We're getting the numbers in, because we also have an entire team behind us telling us, this works. Kasi pag artist ka myopic you only see what you like. And we don't really consider ano yung gusto ng audience. So we have an entire team behind us telling us, I think this would work. I think this would work. So, yes, it's not just us, and we're open, and there are debates, so masaya. Masaya siya kasi talagang we feel strongly about what we'll be doing on the 23rd. So, nag-bigger kami. No, it's not bagay kayo. Mas bagay sa akin yan. Kaya mga sinuggest yan para ako kumanta kasi ko kakanta.
Thank you.
Aagawin sa kanta.
And now for our killer question.
Why? Why do you want to kill me? Why, Bella? Ha-ha! Wala ang killer question.
Dito, tinanong ko si Jed dito, earlier. Do you still remember by your first ever Bravo
I was a chorus member for Rent. And I was blessed with the seasons of Love Soul. So I would come in, I was just slim. Yeah, I was 92 pounds, come on. I was a slim, dusty girl. So very unassuming, ganyan, chorus, and then when you get to the second act, I do the big voice solo. So that was like, I could hear the gasp from the audience. And then pag curtain ko, there was extra energy. And then, luck by some, baby luck smile, I was understudy for Mimi, and I went on as Mimi with no warning. Parang nalitan yung actors. I had to go on again. So those were my big moments. No. This is the thing with me. I'm really a baritone. But since everyone knows I can belt high, they keep giving me all these hard, high songs. So I'm like so relieved. It's Jet and so proud. So like, sa inyo na yan. Tapos yan pa si Laika and Carmel. Magyabang kayo. This is your moment. I'm just here for prestige. For prestige! I'm just here to add a little gravitas to the deck. But I think what I bring is there's a theater aspect and a storytelling aspect. I will ground this thing. I will try with my very, very heavy hips. I will ground this especially because iipad to. I mean, oh. Pinay ko. Oh. Saan magkita-kita eh, no? Kasi busy yung lahat, obviously. Pero I know so. I think we deserve something.
Your invitation to our Kapamillas all over the world.
Hello, Kapamillas. On August 23, I will join Jet Padilla and Sophronia Vasquez for Bravo Manila. This will be at the theater at Soler. This is just the beginning. Remember, if there's a clamor, if you make noise, you want to see us. Make noise and we will come to you. Maski saan pa kayo. Middle East, Europe, North America, South America, South Africa, we will come to you. Just holler and we shall sing. Bravo. Cleavage.
Fears.
Yung gusto ko yung gano'n
Yung banal.
Yung banal. Yan. Yan. Okay. Tanda po. Thank you.